Hello everyone, welcome back to Onyx video. I'm super glad having you back today. In this video, I'll be showing you an easy brown stew chicken recipe. This brown stew chicken is a traditional Jamaican stew that features chicken pieces simmered in a rich, flavorful gravy. It can easily be made at home once you have all the required ingredients. So let's get started. Start by rinsing the chicken pieces with vinegar. This will help remove the raw smell from the chicken. So basically, I would leave the chicken to soak for 10 minutes in vinegar water before rinsing them out with clean water. This process not only removes the raw smell, but also helps get rid of any impurities on the surface of the chicken pieces and also make the meat more tender. Once you're done, place the cleaned chicken in a large bowl. Combine crushed chicken stock cubes, salt, smoked paprika, ground allspice, crushed scotch bonnet, jerk seasoning, browning sauce, minced garlic, and grated ginger. Rub the seasoning on the chicken and make sure all the pieces are completely covered beautifully, just like this. We are still going to be adding a few more ingredients to the chicken. So add in some fresh thyme, sliced bell peppers, diced onions, and finally some chopped scallions. You can leave some of the sliced bell peppers behind and then add them towards the end of the cooking. Now give the chicken a good mix until well coated. After that, place the chicken in the fridge and leave it to sit for an hour. Or if you have enough time, you can leave the chicken to marinate overnight and then cook it the next day. I'll be leaving the chicken to marinate overnight in my own case for the flavor to improve and the overall taste to come together. When you're ready to make your brown stew chicken, shake off excess marinade from the chicken and place all the pieces in another bowl and set the marinade aside for later. Now it's time to start browning the chicken. Over medium-high heat, add enough oil in a large skillet. Once it's hot, add the chicken pieces to it and brown on one side for 5 minutes. Flip over to the next side and cook for another 5 minutes until nicely browned. This step will give the chicken its signature dark color and flavorful crust. You don't have to overcrowd the pan, just make sure you brown the chicken in batches for the best result. Once the chicken is nicely browned, remove it from the pan and set aside. You can remain about 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. Add all the marinade back into it, stir these ingredients around and cook them for 5 minutes until they are softened and start to smell nice. Next, add diced tomatoes and 1 scotch bonnet pepper to the rest of the ingredients. You can make a slit on the pepper to help release the heat into the chicken stew. Also add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar and tomato ketchup. Stir all of these ingredients until they are nicely combined. Now place the lid over it and allow the stew to boil for 5 minutes until it starts to smell nice and flavorful. After that, nestle the chicken pack into the pan and add enough water or chicken stock to just cover the meat slightly. This is the time to add the sliced bell peppers you left behind. Also test and adjust salt and pepper if need be. Cover the pot and bring the stew to a simmer and then reduce the heat to low and let it cook for about 45 minutes or until the chicken is cooked and falls off the bone tender. At this point, the stew will naturally thicken up on its own without any thickener added to it. Just take a look at this, it's already forming this delicious gravy. Go ahead and garnish with some scallion and take the stew off from heat. Just look at this, it is flavorful, juicy, and delicious brown stew chicken that is perfect for serving with your favorite side dishes. Serve it over rice or boiled potatoes. I hope this brown stew chicken recipe has inspired you to give it a try and see what Jamaican style cooking is all about. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, please don't hesitate to thumbs it up and share with your friends. Also remember to subscribe to Onyx Food Hill if this is your first time stopping by here. You can also click on the bell icon to keep you posted. Until next time guys, bye for now.